Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give your comments and likes.
Hi, welcome back again to my Home and Ideas YouTube channel. Are you ready to give your kitchen a 2025 makeover? This year's trends are more than just stylish. They're all about blending high function with bold design. From smart appliances to eco-friendly finishes and unexpected materials, let's dive into the must-have elements that will make your kitchen the centerpiece of modern living. Now many designers are creating a sleek, unified look by extending countertop materials like quartz or marble up the backsplash. This design choice minimizes grout lines and gives kitchens a cohesive and polished appearance. The continuous surface also simplifies cleaning, making it practical and visually appealing as you see here. Additionally, this seamless design approach can make the kitchen feel larger and more open by drawing the eye upward without interruptions. Using the same material for the backsplash and countertop enhances natural light reflection, bringing a subtle elegance that complements modern and minimalist styles. This trend not only adds a high-end look, but also showcases the beauty of the chosen stone or material, transforming it into a striking focal point. Sustainable materials are in high demand, with options like bamboo cabinetry and cork flooring leading the charge. These materials not only lessen environmental impact, but also bring warmth and texture to kitchen spaces. Cork floors, for instance, are comfortable underfoot and offer a natural aesthetic. Recycled glass countertops are another eco-friendly choice, offering a durable and vibrant option that's both stylish and sustainable. These countertops, made from repurposed glass, create a unique, mosaic-like look that complements a range of kitchen designs while reducing waste. Additionally, reclaimed wood can add a rustic charm to cabinetry or shelving, introducing character with minimal environmental footprint. Many homeowners are now moving away from the all-white kitchen and turning to darker, more somber colors like charcoal, navy, and forest green. It turns out that these bold colors are considered to add a sophisticated touch and can create a cozy, intimate atmosphere, ideal for entertaining guests or spending quality time with family. Maybe you should consider this idea. Rich textures and materials are gaining popularity in kitchen design, with matte black fixtures, warm brass accents, and veined natural stone countertops adding depth and luxury. Open shelving and glass front cabinets are also replacing traditional uppers, allowing homeowners to showcase stylish dishware and personalize their space. Modern kitchens feature innovative storage solutions like pull-out drawers, hidden shelves, and compartmentalized cabinets that maximize space and make accessing items a breeze. Storage is becoming smarter with innovations like pull-out pantry shelves, lazy Susans, and drawer dividers, which maximize space and improve accessibility. These features keep essentials organized and accessible, enhancing both functionality and visual appeal. A soft-close kitchen mechanism is a specialized feature in modern cabinetry that ensures doors and drawers close gently and quietly. It operates with built-in hydraulic hinges or dampers that control the speed of closure, slowing down the motion just before the door or drawer reaches the frame. This mechanism not only prevents the loud slamming that can occur in traditional cabinets, but also protects the cabinetry from long-term wear and damage. Soft-close systems are particularly popular in high-end kitchens, as they add a sense of sophistication and functionality, making the space feel more refined. Additionally, soft-close technology enhances kitchen safety by reducing the risk of fingers getting caught and injured, a valuable feature for homes with children. The kitchen has evolved beyond a place solely for cooking. It's now a central entertainment space where family and friends gather. Designed with open layouts, ample seating, and integrated features like large islands, wine coolers, and coffee bars, these kitchens encourage socializing while food is prepared. High-end appliances, smart technology, and stylish lighting add to the atmosphere, making it easy to transition from cooking to dining to hosting. With a focus on creating a welcoming, multifunctional area, the kitchen as an entertainment space brings people together, turning it into the true heart of the home. Multi-zone kitchen lighting uses a layered approach, dividing the space into zones with lighting tailored to specific functions. Task lighting brightens work areas like countertops, ambient lighting provides general illumination, and accent lighting highlights design features. For example, under-cabinet lights enhance prep areas, pendant lights over the island add style, and recessed lights ensure overall brightness. This setup boosts functionality, visibility, and ambience, making the kitchen versatile for cooking, dining, and entertaining. A wood accents kitchen design emphasizes the beauty of natural wood, creating a cozy, organic atmosphere throughout the space. From rich wood cabinetry and floating shelves to ceiling beams, countertops, and floors, wood is used as a unifying element that brings warmth and texture. This design often incorporates a variety of wood tones, light oak, warm walnut, or reclaimed timber, that blend to add character and depth. Paired with neutral or soft-hued walls and simple, streamlined hardware, the wood accents create a harmonious, inviting look that feels both timeless and contemporary. This style celebrates natural materials, giving the kitchen a grounded, welcoming feel ideal for gathering and entertaining. This kitchen blends the sleek appeal of matte finishes with bold metallic accents for a refined yet vibrant space. Matte cabinetry in deep charcoal or soft gray offers understated elegance, while brushed brass or stainless steel hardware adds sophistication. A striking metallic backsplash contrasts beautifully with matte countertops, enhancing depth. The island features matte quartz topped with metallic pendant lights, casting a warm glow. Together, these elements create a harmonious balance of texture and sheen, giving the kitchen a contemporary edge with timeless appeal. Vintage-inspired kitchens design combine modern functionality with charming retro aesthetics, featuring classic elements like farmhouse sinks, shaker-style cabinets, and colorful retro appliances. Soft pastels or bold jewel tones create a cozy atmosphere, while industrial pendant lights and rustic fixtures enhance the vintage feel. Open shelving displays dishware and cookbooks, adding character, and reclaimed wood or antique finishes contribute depth to the design. This trend celebrates the beauty of the past, creating a welcoming space that fosters culinary creativity and family gatherings.